Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you how to download one of the most used IDE for Java development, that is Eclipse. For downloading Eclipse, you need to go to the link www.eclipse.org/downloads/packages/installer. Eclipse has been developing since its inception. There are multiple ways of installing Eclipse. I suggest you go to Eclipse packages instead of Eclipse installer section. Eclipse installer takes the things dynamically and downloads the content of the installer from the internet as you go, whereas in Eclipse packages it is just one package. This will be a one-time download, whereas Eclipse installer depends on internet speed that you have. You can select Eclipse IDE for developers, and 64-bit machine you can download with the default settings. Once the download completes, double click on the zip file that has been downloaded and install the exe file. The download has been finished. Now I will go to the downloaded directory here, extract the contents of this zip file. You can go into this directory and there is eclipse.exe file present. You can double click on this eclipse.exe. This will launch the Eclipse IDE. You may have to select the right workspace in case you have the previous installations of Eclipse in your machine. So this is the location I have selected here. I say launch. So this will be a brand new directory where my projects are going to be saved. So Eclipse workspace opens up like this, and you can use the menu by creating a new project from the menus here. And select a new Java project or project, which I will be going to explain in upcoming lectures. Thank you.